Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers, home of the Colorado Off-Road Trailer. You guys can view all of our inventory online as well as purchase any of our trailers online at getmytrailer.com, or always send us an email for a quicker response at sales@getmytrailer.com. This is one of our 6x12 Colorado off-road trailers. These are set up to be true off-road multi-use units. They do give you about 19 inches worth of ground clearance. They are insulated with windows, power, AC, again set up to be that true multi-use trailer. This one's in one of our most popular colors in the bronze blackout. It is a thicker aluminum skin. It's a great color of dirt, great for the desert, great for the mountains, great for just all around use. You do have a front generator box and platform on the front, so a place for that generator to ride. We recommend a 3,000 watt or larger for these units. You also have a side swivel jack, removable front coupler, great for adding an articulating hitch. This whole entire end piece pulls out and removes, so it's also great for anti-theft. This one, get you guys a good shot of this side. Also has the roof rack and ladder. That's an all aluminum roof rack and ladder there on top. It's good for a couple 100 pounds dispersed. So kayaks, canoes, that sort of a thing. Again, these are tall trailers. They sit up about 12 inches taller than your standard trailer. You don't have a big giant axle tube that runs underneath, which gives you that true 19 inches worth of ground clearance. So you've got to step off the side door because they're hard to get in and out. You also have the RV lock and cam bar on that side door, so you've got double lock protection there. Exterior GFI outlet does have a party light off the side. You guys can see that's on, so you can have some exterior light at night. 32-inch Mudterrain tire. You also have an American racing wheel, black diamond plate fender, drop down stabilizer jacks underneath the back as well, so you've got the extra stability there. You also have load lights off of the back, so you've got some light at night to see what you're doing there. And of course, rear ramp door does have the rear deck option on it, so you guys can use it as a ramp or fold the jacks down and have a rear deck and have some exterior living space there. 6'6" interior height, so tall enough for most people to be able to stand up in. It's insulated. You've got insulated walls and ceiling in here. Performance Nudo floor with Drymax. It's one of the most durable floors we can find in the industry, which is why we use it. You also have 4 D-rings in here for tie down points. 2 18x44 slider windows with screens. These are a tinted lockable window, so you've got some good versatility there. Plus you've got an overhead max air roof vent, so lots of good ventilation if you have this ramp door up. This unit's equipped with a battery and a battery box and a battery charger, which is how we're able to have all these lights on without being able to be plugged into a generator or plugged into a vehicle or an extension cord. So great feature there because you can have light on the inside and outside of the trailer without needing to have any power source. Then you also have your 30 amp service right here, so you guys can take this nice big long cord, pop it through the floor, run it to the generator that you stick on the tongue, or you can plug into a campground, or you can plug into a regular outlet at home with a little extension, and that will power up all of your interior outlets. So you've got 4 inside outlets plus that 1 exterior GFI outlet on the outside. It's also going to power up your 2 4-foot LED lights across the top, so you guys can have a ton of light in here if you need it. It also will power up your AC unit with a heat strip. This one is a Dometic 13.5 BTU unit, and you guys can see you do have the ability to heat and cool with this as well. So you've got some good climate control. And all your light switches are right there, so you can control everything. Backside of that RV lock gives you a lock, a latch, and a set of keys. So again, this is a 6x12, so you've got 12 feet of length in the box, 6 wide and 6'6" tall for the interior. It's going to give you about 6 feet here at the rear ramp door. 3-year factory warranty. This unit weighs 2,000 pounds. It's going to give you about a 1,500 pound payload capacity, and we ship. So if you guys aren't here, no worries. Just give us a call. We can ship one of these trailers right to your door, and you guys can always reach us again right online at getmytrailer.com. You can purchase this unit online or send us an email. That's the best place to reach us nowadays, sales@getmytrailer.com, or give us a call. We are in the office a little bit, 303-688-8485. And if you guys are watching this on YouTube, be sure to like and subscribe.